Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. I do hope you already downloaded the file that I asked you to download, the trial balance. So I will show you a bit on how to do the adjusting entries for adjusted trial balance, and then we go to the automated financial statement from the adjusted trial balance. So first of all, the adjustment that have been given is depreciation on vehicles 20% using reducing balance method. So the reducing balance method means that you need to calculate it, the original amount, the cost, deduct with accumulated depreciations and multiply with the percentage that are given. So, and the dual entry for depreciations assigned for that year is debit depreciation account and credit accumulated depreciations. So on the adjusting entries column, there's a debit and credit, D for the debit side for adjusting entries. So on depreciations, debit side, calculate times equal to, then you take the cost of vehicles, deduct with the accumulated depreciation that were given, and then multiply with 20%, 0.20, so that's 20%, and then that is the amount of depreciation for vehicle for that year. So debit depreciations, and do not forget to put that is the reference of depreciations that we refer to, because the adjustment A is on depreciation, so just put A, and the accumulated depreciations must be on the credit side, so just do the relative referencing and also the notes and A for depreciations. Okay, that's it. The how to do the adjusting entries. And for interest on loan, it says here interest on loan is supposed to be 3750, and you can see the interest on loan that already paid is 3125. So definitely that is an accrued interest on loan. So the double entry for accrued interest on loan is credit accrued interest on loan and debit interest on loan. So we need to calculate the accrued interest on loan. That is, it says here 3750. That is the amount that should be the interest on loan for the year, and what we have paid is only 3125. So deduct 3125. So that is the amount for accrued interest on loan, and do not forget to do the referencing. So credit accrued interest on loan and debit interest on loan. So make sure you are at the column D for interest on loan. So D10 equals to relative referencing to accrued interest loan that we calculate just now, and also the reference. Okay, that's how you do it. Okay, to calculate the total at adjusted trial balance, okay, you can use the if logical functions. So use fx, okay, choose if. So the logical test, put, because this is the debit side, so put the debit side, that means B4, add D4, debit side of original amount and debit side of adjusting entries, deduct the credit side, the original entry, and also deduct the credit of adjusting entry, and this amount should be more than 0 to become true. So if it's true, then put the same formula, that is B4, add D4, deduct C4 and deduct F4. If you can see, it's the same thing. The logical test, the logical test cells, and the value if true, the result should be is the same thing. And if it's false, you type space, means that you become nothingness and 0. And you click OK, then it's 0. But if you copy downwards, you can see that purchases is down, is a debit side. So the adjusted trial balance will show the debit side. So you copy down. So you can see this is the amount for debit side. For credit side, again, use the logical if functions, just opposite of the debit side adjusted trial balance. You start with the credit side first. Okay, C4 add F4, deduct D4, deduct D4. And this must be more than 0. So if true, again, C4 add F4, deduct B4, and deduct D4. And if it falls, make sure you type space, then click OK. So the adjusted trial balance picked up. This is the amount should be on the credit side. Okay, to copy down, I forgot to explain just now. To copy down, make sure your cursor becomes the plus black sign or symbol, and press click your left click button of the mouse and drag them down in the end, so you can see. Okay. Let's say the accumulated possessions original amount is 66,000, but it should be added with the depreciation for the year. So adjusted trial balance becomes 8,800, because this is the amount that you should transfer to financial statement. Okay, for the automated financial statement, we will use the figure in the adjusted trial balance. So I already have here the format, so it become better. Okay, for the automated financial statement, we know that statement of profit or loss start with the sales. So you can do the relative referencings from independent worksheets. So just type equals to and click to the folder of the tab of ADJDB and find the word sales. Choose the words the cell for word sales and press enter, and the word sales appear. And the amount, let's say you click at E3, so the amount you just equals to press equals to, click at the tab ADJDB, the independent worksheets, and you will take the amount on the adjusted trial balance, mean either H or I column. Okay, enter. So that is the amount. Okay, let's see for the expenses just now, the interest on loan. So click type equals to, click ADJTB, choose the interest on loan, a cell, and let's say you want to put E on the column E for the amount. So type equals to, back to the independent worksheets of trial balance, and the amount interest on loan must have the adjusted trial balance column. Okay, that is 3750. So enter. So that is the amount. So that is how you do the automated financial statement. However, you need to build up the format first. Then you key in the relevant data for the profit or loss statement from the for the statement of profit or loss, and also statement of financial positions. Okay, another one I want to show you is non-current asset. Okay, types equal to, you have vehicles just now that we have done. So vehicles at cost is 165,000, and the accumulated depreciations we will get from the last one, the I-19. So you can enter. And again, then the carrying value of vehicles, you do the calculation, the cost deduct with accumulated. So you have that is the amount. Okay, that's it for now. I will show the full video. I will show you the full statement, or the full of financial statement later on. Then I will share with you in the near future. Okay, thank you for watching.